Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Warren, Michigan, and home of the Zatkoff Seals Packings manufacturing division. Founded by Roger Zatkoff, a standout player on the 1957 Detroit Lions NFL championship team, Zatkoff Seals Packings has grown into a third-generation, family-owned company renowned for its high-quality products and exceptional customer service. For nearly 70 years, Zatkoff has been a leading seal distributor in North America, representing some of the most trusted brands in the sealing industry. Along with distribution, Zatkoff manufactures seals, gaskets, and engineered components at its 9 locations across the United States. The company employs a range of advanced manufacturing technologies, including die cutting, knife cutting, rotary cutting, lamination, slitting, and CNC machining, ensuring precision and quality. Zatkoff is committed to exceeding customer expectations with state-of-the-art inspection equipment and rigorous quality control processes. In addition to its product offerings, Zatkoff provides value-added services such as vendor-managed inventory, kitting, assembly, custom shipping, and rapid traceability. With one of the largest seal inventories in the world, Zatkoff serves original equipment manufacturers across 20 market segments, including automotive, aerospace, fluid power, and life sciences. Looking to the future, Zatkoff plans to expand its digital capabilities, explore new markets, and diversify its product and service offerings. With a firm foundation built on family values and a commitment to excellence, Zatkoff Seals Packings continues to lead the sealing industry. Visit them today at zatkoff.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.